Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Blocksmash, and we're going to find out exactly how easy it is to actually go and earn PayPal money with this website. And also, stay tuned right to the very end because we're going to reveal something you're going to want to know about before you actually go and test out this website. It's something that I've never ever seen on a website before. So stay tuned for that. Now let's head over and check out my Blocksmash review right now. Okay, so we've jumped straight onto the website blocksmash.io. As you can see, it's a very basic website. All you have to do is literally sign up for a free account. How it works is you click on the blocks and smash them, and you find resources, points, and real cash hidden inside. Simple as that. You can get unlimited free hits, and we give you free hits every hour so you can smash blocks forever. It also says here at number 3, withdraw winnings. You can choose a convenient option to receive your cash winnings. We will send them immediately. Then repeat the process and win even more. It also says payouts available in PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Nutella, Litecoin, Skrill, and Payeer. So I had a quick look and went and joined the Blocksmash site. So let's just head over there now and sign in. Okay, so as you can see here, we've had this scan thing come up. Your PC may be at risk. And this is one of the disadvantages with this site, guys. You do get a lot of this popping up. You get so many pop-ups. Like I say, I've just tried to get rid of that and something else has come up. You've obviously got a Trojan virus here thing come up. So you've literally got to get rid of that. So that is the only downside with this. And it goes again. Look, it's constantly popping up all the time. These pop-ups, which is not very good at all. The experience doesn't bode well. But this is basically how you use it. You've got your balance here, your hits here. You've got 5 hits. Okay, so we just click on this, and all it does, it's giving you smashes, and all you do is just keep hitting it with the mouse. And there we go. We made 33 cents there. And we've got another 5 hits. So this will carry on. As you can see here. To pop up again. So as you can see, guys, it's very easy to hit the to create a balance. Here's another 28 cents there. So we've created quite a bit of cash straight away, very quickly and very easily by doing just these symptoms. There we go, and you've got one balance left, and it says there, obviously you've run out. So it says you've got an hourly bonus here, so basically you get 5 more hits every single hour. So that's how it works. And as you can see, I made a few cents very quickly, very easily indeed. And also, you can, once you run out of hits, you can go and take offers, and you can invite other people to join. You've got lotto there, you've got polls, you've got raffle drops, all that sort of thing. So again, there's loads of ways you can go and actually get more hits. Now, the thing is, once you've got your actual cash balance, we've got a balance withdrawal here. And as you can see, we go on to the balance withdrawal. And as you can see here, I've got $3.24, but the minimum withdrawal is $100. So keep playing. And as it does say, got some really good payouts here: PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, and Bitcoin, Litecoin, all those sort of ones. So, but the only disadvantage with this, obviously, it is a big amount, and that probably is because they want to continue. They want you to continue on the site and keep clicking because you're going to click on these ads and you're going to click on these possible viruses that may actually download to your computer. So be very wary of that when you actually go and join the blocksmash.io site. Before you actually go, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to actually show you probably my best app and website that I'm using at the moment that's actually earning me between $50 and $80 every single month. And I'm going to share that with you right at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. But before we go and do that, let's just check out one more thing here. I'm going to go and actually click on their terms of service here. And we're going to scroll down, and as you can see here, it's got various different things. Introduction, website purpose, etc. But I want to scroll down because certainly read through this, but I want to show you something that I found when I was scrolling earlier. And it says here, payments and monetary value. Okay, so obviously said the website does not accept monetary deposits and does not require any payments in any currency, which is good. So that's a good thing. But if we come back down here to here, none of the credits, balances, points, and other rewards on this website have real monetary value. They are only part of the game provided by this website. User balances do not place the website under obligation, and you can be changed or nullified by the website at any time without prior notice. So that basically means is although you are playing for dollars, there is no dollars on this site. There is no real monetary value on this Blocksmash site. You're playing purely and simply as a game. It's part of the website. So I would definitely say that means you're not going to get paid out. But obviously if you have got paid out, then let us know in the comments below here whether you have actually got paid out or not. Let's just have a look quickly at Trustpilot. As you can see here, Blocksmash, it's got 33 reviews. It's poor. And if we scroll down, sorry buddy, I must delete this app from my phone because your apps never pay. I'm lazy for waiting for money. You're a cheater, a fraud. And loads of other ones similar to that. Scam. Don't waste your time. So the website I would actually go and recommend you actually join instead is a site called Free Cash. There's various ways you can actually earn on the Free Cash site. You can obviously do offers, you've got offers walls, you can take surveys, you can play games. You can also do various things on their actual website themselves and on their apps. You can also download their app, follow them on Twitter and get some points as well. So loads of different ways you can actually go and earn money here. So as you can see, this is what I would actually recommend that you actually take instead. So my profile, and we go across to withdrawals. As you can see here, I got paid out $5 1 day ago, $3 $5 3 days ago, $10 5 days ago, $5 6 days ago, and all directly to my PayPal account. And as you can see, I've had loads of different payouts to my PayPal account over the last few months. So like I say, it's been giving me on average roughly about $50 to $80 per month. So definitely check out the Free Cash app, and I'll leave a video at the end of this video for a more in-depth view of the Free Cash website, so you can go and check that out. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. Any questions that you might have, any comments? Have you actually drawn money out of Blocksmash? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Also, make sure you watch this video next, which is all about the Free Cash app that you can actually make real money with on the internet. And that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.